Let's talk about lead. And I don't mean just chemistry. I mean the shockingly toxic stuff found all around our communities. You see, till 1978, people put lead in all kinds of paint. Then on every house and shed, they spread that lead paint taint. Lead paint gets old, it crumbles and breaks, it tumbles apart in chips and flakes. It makes clouds of fine lead dust you can't even see. And that brings us back to lead's attack on you and me. We accidentally breathe it in when it gets in the air, and it gets in the soil, gets on our clothes, skin, and hair, on my hands, on my food, and so on into my mouth. And then when lead gets in my blood, things really go south. It causes heart disease, brain damage, kidney damage, even worse. Lead builds up in your bones like some malingering toxic curse. Causes brain fog, depression, and anxiety too, and certain reproductive problems, and that's just to name a few. And since we mentioned kids, lead under 6 is even scarier. It goes straight into the brain because kids don't have a blood-brain barrier. Causes permanent brain damage, and there's no way of treating it. So how do we stop this damage? Just say no, stop breathing and eating it. Oh, wait. Didn't we just say lead paint's all over the state on every piece of wood that got a coat of paint before 1978? And if that's your house, open and close any old window, vroop, lead rubbing on lead, and a shower of lead dust raining down on your head. Open and close any old door, shoop, leaded wood on leaded wood, and we just sent more no good toxic lead dust round the neighborhood. So we can't leave things as is. Got to get that lead out now. And there's lots of actions we can take. Check the website for how.